Here is one lesson on how to play bar chords for a beginner, right? So we're going to start off simple, and it is an F, right? It's B minor. What you're going to do is you're going to get your A minor chord here, your open chord, and instead use your middle finger, first fret on B, pinky, second fret on G, ring finger, second fret on D. Okay, so it's just your A minor chord shape with these three. Staying on the same strings, slide them up 2 frets. 1, 2. Get your index on the second fret of A and hug the bottom of the neck so you're on the second fret of E at the bottom as well. Right, so that's your shape. We don't have it on the top string. Bring the guitar back down. Elbow into the hip, elbow in on the body. That's your B minor bar chord. Now, let's get real. It probably won't sound like that your first go unless you're a builder or an adult or something like that, but that's the bar chord.